Welcome to the Dave's Cooking Show Christmas Spectacular, coming to you every day until Christmas Day 2025. And we're coming at you at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell notification so you know whenever I go live. All right, today we have a Christmas Cosmo, and it's real easy to do. In a shaker that's got some ice in it, you can see I added some apple cranberry juice. You can add cranberry juice or cherry cranberry juice. I just decided to go with this little apple thing that I have here. And then we want 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur. The popular two are either Grand Marrainer, as I'm using here, or Triple Sec is another popular orange liqueur. And then we want 1 shot or 1.5 ounces of rum. Specifically, I used Captain Morgan in this, but you can use whatever rum you like. And then we need 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And then pop the top on and give it a good shake. And then just pour it in a little glass. And that's that. A Christmas Cosmo. Done.